We've got some really nice looking chicken wings here, fresh from the butcher, and we're gonna make some hot wings and put them directly on the Weber. So what we're using for this one is the Memphis Red. I'll just give it a nice, healthy coating on each of the wings. Just quickly flip them over. And I'll just coat the other side. So we've got a really nice even coat across all the chicken pieces, and now I'm going to place them into the Weber. Now the Weber's high heat, and we're going to use an indirect cooking method. So the charcoal's in the middle, and we're going to scatter the wings across the outside here. Just making a nice ring around the charcoal in the middle. You can see here I've just evenly spaced it out, and we'll cook that for about 45 to 60 minutes. So once we put them on the barbecue, if we need to add a little bit of extra coating, we can do so here just to sort of even it out. So put the lid back on there, and we'll leave that for about 45 minutes to an hour, check it, and then the wings will be ready. So while we wait for the chicken to be ready, let's prepare our famous Memphis Red Hot Sauce. And the first ingredient we have is Frank's Hot Wing Sauce. We particularly like this brand. We've got some melted butter. We've already put that one in the microwave. And some Memphis Red. Now you can substitute some other spices from our range for this particular recipe, but today we're going to use the Memphis. So we'll start with the butter. And then we're going to use a generous serving of the hot wing sauce. I'm going to use all of this today. And just a little bit of our Memphis Red. And then just mix it all together. Okay, so that's it. It was that simple, just a couple of key ingredients. We'll put that sauce on the chicken wings later and they'll taste absolutely delicious. So we've had these chicken wings in the Weber there for about an hour, so I'm really excited to get them off, and we'll put some sauce all over them. Now we've got two sauces here. We've got an Alabama sauce that we made earlier on. If you want the recipe for that particular one, then please visit our website. We've also got the hot wing sauce that we made earlier. So I'm going to put some of the Alabama sauce on the wings first. Just a nice healthy coat. Just mix it around a bit. Just make sure all these sides are covered. You really want to be quite generous with this one. Now I'll do the same for the hot wing sauce. Again, just mixing it around, make sure you coat all sides of the chicken. Don't be afraid to use a lot of sauce because, quite frankly, it's delicious. And there we go, there's the hot wings, and we'll be enjoying those shortly.